So today is very exciting. We are going to add 2 new furry barn cat family members to the farm, and driving to the shelter this morning. Very exciting. We are here waiting for the 2 new members of our furry barn cat family to be brought out. And yeah, this is awesome. Somebody just came out to grab the cat carriers and take payment, and should be out with 2 wonderful furry feline friends any moment. So we are here in the car with our new furry friends on the way home. Hi.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
Hey, welcome to the fam. Spooky is the first kitty to be checking out our new furry family members here. It's like he's doing a good job of introducing himself as a new big brother. He's practically falling asleep in front of them here. Hey, ladies. Hi. One's hiding in the back. Don't have new names for these girls yet, but working on it. Hello. Hi. Welcome to the family. Here's one of your new big brothers checking you out. Just let you guys chill in here for a little while till you greet everybody and smell all the smells and get accommodated. Then we can move you to another part of the house where you feel more comfortable, okay? What do you think, buddy? What do you think about your new sisters? What do you think? What do you think? There's some pruning going on here. What do you think? What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, you guys are gonna be buddies. Yeah, I'm gonna be buddies, yeah? That's your older bro? Yeah? I'm getting acquainted with things. I'm doing pretty well here. Yeah? Yeah. Hi. I'm doing pretty well, huh? Except for the doggies, we're working on that. Oh, I see a happy cat who's making herself at home.